Okay, what's up, fellas? We're not going live today, having some technical difficulties. Can't upload the thumbnail for whatever reason to YouTube, so we're doing it the old school way. Hopefully, we'll be back live tomorrow. Today was certainly a strong day in the market. A whole ton of green, massive outperformance in tech. We like to see that. We are overall bullish. We have not been selling our tech positions. We're not doing anything bearish. I'm not putting any sort of crazy hedges on the market, but I do have a cash position, and I'm not looking to deploy that cash position today. Starting Monday, I actually got a little short-term bearish, not because the market is rallying, although that is adding to it a little bit, but because of the CPI reading tomorrow morning. I have, as you saw in earlier videos, been seeing hints that the CPI reading was going to come in quite hot. And the whisper number was actually quite cool at 5%. That would be a fall from what we had previously seen. But the hints are only increasing. So let's go over the first ones we saw, and we'll talk about the nail in the coffin that we saw today. On Monday, we saw the Department of Defense decide to postpone their 2023 budget decision, how much they're going to need, later than they typically do because of inflation. So Department of Defense clearly has good information. They want to delay their budget decision. That was a good sign that there might be some hotter than expected inflation. Now today, the White House said, essentially verbatim, that tomorrow's reading is going to be quite hot. So quite hot inflation reading. Whisper number seems to be low. Market's acting as if it's going to be low. Treasury yields towards the end of the day after a very good auction ended at the high of the day. I'm just going to wait a day, okay? I'm just going to wait a day. Why am I going to wait a day? Well, for one, the inflation might be quite hot, and the hints are saying quite hot. But last time, when we got that 7% read, that exacerbated a market decline. I don't want to partake in that market decline if I have cash. I want to take advantage of that market decline with cash. So I'm not saying that a massive market decline is certain. I'm hypothesizing that there is a catalyst for some decline. The VIX broke 20 today. Tomorrow, we get a read. Does it go above 20? Possibly. Does that cause some market volatility? Possibly. I don't see any. I think it's a prudent decision, in my opinion, to just wait for that read. We've got the hints that it's going to be hot. Let's see if it's hot. And if it's hot, does the market react to that negatively, or were they already anticipating? I don't know. From what I hear, Stephanie Link, whisper number 5%, I think that's quite low. I think it's going to be 7% or more. We'll see. And I think if it is 7% or more, that might cause some concern. I think if the whisper number is 5% and the White House is saying it's actually quite hot, there might be a little too much compensation around a bad read. Too many decisions being made around a bad anticipated number. And if we get an accurate number that's higher, that might cause some turmoil. So I'm just going to wait until tomorrow. That's it. No big deal. I'm not selling my tech stocks. As you know, my portfolio construction is 10x growth tech, energy stocks, and mining and materials companies. I want to add more to my 10x growth. There's a whole lot of companies I like that are down big, and even after today's rally, still very cheap. But I'm going to wait until tomorrow and see what happens, and then make a decision. I'll come back here. Hopefully we'll be live. I like the live thing. I know not a lot of people are coming in and asking questions and whatnot. One day they will. Hopefully. We'll see. If I, keep at it. Keep doing well. Hopefully live tomorrow. We'll see what happens. That's today's video. We'll be watching the CPI read. And until next time, peace out.